of nature, they produce genuine masterpieces. However, his other works are equally delightful. Less rust means more endorphins. When you plan a home renovation, you expect everything to go exactly like this. These fruits are lucky to have ended up in good hands. It's a futuristic and captivating thing, isn't it? With modern laser cleaning technology, you can quickly rejuvenate old items by eliminating rust, patina, and years of grime. A life hack for those over 30: how to create perfect holes for seedlings.